The Staun up sit down exercise is a really practical, active exercise for introducing Scots vocabulary with the children. It obviously introduces Scots words for parts of the body. It's a really fun and exciting activity for the children to take part in, and the build-up of vocabulary can also be used in other activities. OK everybody, Staun up. Put both horns in the air. Give your horns a waggle. Put your horns on your head. Put your horns on your shoulders. Touch your toes.
Oh no.
And Staun up. Initially, when Staun up sit down is introduced to the children, there's a bit of apprehension about using Scots language in the classroom because many pupils have been told off for using slang. So they're quite apprehensive about using the language, and they're keen to ask if they're allowed to speak that way. Put your right horn in the air. Waggle your index finger. Point to your neb. Well done. Point to your E. Point to your lug. Point to your mouth. Point to your right oxter. Point to both oxters. Who in this class has got minging oxters? Keenan minging oxters. Put your horns on your hardies. Crouch down on your hunkers. Well done, that was a tricky one. Staun up. Burl around. Loup up and down. Put your right horn in the air and gie your bahookie a wee scalp. And sit back down. There's also a great deal of humour and a lot of laughing and giggling when Staun up sit down is introduced, but very quickly the children grasp the fact that Scots is a language and it's acceptable in the classroom, and very soon it just becomes part of their learning. And give yourselves a wee clap on the back. Well done everyone, good.